Welcome back to the channel. Today's project is to redo the roof. I'm glad that I have the cave to move those big pallets. Took me like 10 minutes to unload the pickup truck with the trailer with those bundles of shingles. That's maybe half of the shingles I need to do the roof. The roof is almost 2,250 square feet. That's quite a large roof, but there's small slopes. It should be much easier than what we did, Dave and I, with the garage, which had a 12-12 pitch. Now it's a 3 or 4 pitch, which is quite easy. And it's a bungalow on top of that. So I'm going to use the case along with the dot bucket. The dot bucket is buried back there into the pile of my stuff. We're going to use the bucket to dump the used shingles into the trailer. So next thing I'll do is to retrieve that bucket and I'll show you the project to do. So the job to do is located here. We see only part of the house. Yes, there's multiple panes on both sides, but I don't have any junction. It's only plain roofing. I'm not the only one that is redoing a roof today. We can hear that in the background. We have the roof gun. I'm going to start easy on the garage part, and we'll see from there. Once I'm really set up, I'm going to maybe bring some help. So I'll have the case with the dog bucket to collect all the material. I'm going to dump that into the trailer, and from there we should be in gear. So that's the house. There's multiple and we're not going to do this one, although oh shoot, you can see that the so we're doing only the house. This one we won't do that. It's maybe 12 feet in diameter, small, I don't know how you call it. And so this is where I'm going to start. We've got the case ready here with a dot bucket, and we've got here the bowline ready to get the used shingle. So what we hear is my wife is scraping the deck ready to stain. So we've got here the garage, here the house. So small part here and the major section. Those are the two major sections here and here. And that's the garage where we store all our stuff. Cloudy sky, partly clear sky, should be good. Some winds. So this is not the proper gutter guards. It was better than nothing. I'm going to put new one in place so we get good protection. So you can see why we're changing the shingles. Maybe sometime on camera, like looking at that part, looks like it's just perfect, but close look let you know that they are done. Look at the gap in between the shingles. that's pretty much it for the first side. So I have almost a full bucket. I'm going to dump that in the trailer and I'm going to go move onto the other side. Stick around. Okay, that's it for today. Of course, Nicolas joined me to help me finish that project, but the project is not finished. It's only that side of the roof. The remaining roof is to be done. So I worked most of the day alone, but Nicolas joined me to help me. As you can see, the case is very useful for that. And if the gutter looks like it's bent and crooked, or looks like the bucket hit the gutter, then ask me why I do think it could happen. So, so we are wrapping up, and we'll see next weekend what we can do. See you the next time. Thanks.